Hey reseller besties, it is Stephanie with Three Queens Resell, back with a daily what sold video where I come on daily, share the details on what is currently selling on our platforms. We sell on Poshmark, Mecari, Depop, and eBay. And let's get into the sales. Smash that like button, subscribe for reselling content. First up, we're going to start with this Northern Angel Sherpa lined knit jacket. It is a button front and it does have pockets. It is a size extra large. It is a bins pickup. It has been listed for 56 days. It's sold on Poshmark for $28. Next up on Poshmark, we have these Wrangler Slim Fit Flame Resistant. So I typically only pick up Wranglers if they're the flame resistant. These have been listed for 426 days. So even with the specialness of them, they still are a very niche denim. But they sold for $22 on Poshmark. So we are excited about that. This next one was a quick pickup. Rails can sometimes sit for me, but this one seemed to be sought after. This is the Rails Charlie shirt, size small, and it was only listed 9 days before selling for $17 on Poshmark. Next up, this one was a regular Goodwill buy. I don't go to the regular Goodwill that often, and so when I do, I'm really looking for things that I know will hit it out of the park. This is the Lily Pulitzer Nyla cardigan, and it is a size, I believe, extra large. Let's pop that open. No, it's a size small, friends. But it has only been listed 2 days, sold for my full asking price of $54. And if you know anything about Lily Pulitzer retail, that is a steal of a deal. Next up were these J. Crew pajamas. I only pick up pajamas at the bins now if I can find both pieces to the set. If I only have one piece, I just go ahead and leave it behind. But this is a 2-piece set, size medium, perfect for Christmas with those stripes. They've been listed 310 days, and they sold for $12. Next up, this is something that I picked up from Falling Prices. Falling Prices is one of those closeout stores that sells new tag, Target, Walmart, Amazon Returns, Macy's. But this is a Peanuts Christmas sweatshirt. It has Snoopy on it. It's new with tag, and it has been listed for 55 days, and it sold for $12. I have about 75 cents into this one. And then lastly, we have a kids coat. This is a Gap Kids coat, size medium. It's a puffer coat with a hood, insulated, all the things that the kiddos need to be out and play. I don't source kids items to list. I take them to Once Upon a Child. If they don't pick them up, I go ahead and list them. So this one has been listed for 566 days, and it sold on eBay for $23. So we're excited to finally get that one out the door and hope some little girl has a warm winter season in her new coat. So that's what has sold for us so far today. Let me know how your reselling day is going, and if you are interested in learning how to turn pre-owned clothing into cash, or just tips and tricks that I use as a reseller, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below to engage with the video so I can find more reseller besties, and I will see you in the next one.